unequal distribution of heat between the equator and the poles creates winds. This distribution is made possible in large part because of the differences in density between warm air and cold air. You may have heard this phrase that warm air rises, cold air sinks. That's true in a room. If you go up to near the ceiling, it's going to be warmer than it is near the floor. It's also true on a large scale, like on the Earth. Air that is heated in a warm area expands. It becomes less dense or lighter, and it rises. As this air rises, it spreads north and south, and it loses heat along the way as it moves away from the equator towards the poles. As that air cools down when it moves toward the poles, it becomes more dense, heavier, and it sinks. At the same time, the cold air that's already over the poles sinks. These movements together create several cells of air that rise, travel north or south, and then sink toward Earth's surface. When they get to Earth's surface, they get warm and they rise again. And we can see this. We can see these air currents moving, represented by the arrows in this diagram. Between places where air sinks and places where it rises, air travels over Earth's surface, creating winds, as shown in the diagram here. Earth's rotation causes those winds to blow from west to east over the temperate zones and from east to west over the tropics and the poles.